understand. When Katie's good at math, she gets a big fat A that's tacked up on my family's Frigidaire. And at every music contest, Joe and Myra take the prize. On the freezer, there are ribbons everywhere. And I'm proud to be their sister, but it really makes me blue that there isn't any prize for telling people what to do, except an invitation to Kalamazoo. Home to the world famous Kalamazoo Rice Music Festival. Do you know what an invitation means, Bobby? No. A chance to finally be where I belong. Up on the fridge is where I want to be, just like Katie and Myra and Joe. There's a white plastic magnet that's just the right size where my new invitation can go. And then every morning I'll open the door, get some OJ or milk, and I'll see what I dreamed of and wished for and hoped for and prayed for. A prize that belongs to me. My parents are proud, but they don't understand. You can't hold a pat on the back of your hand. But up on the fridge, how I long for the day I can point to the door and say, gee,